Bison burgers are amazing. These delicious patties are not only a treat for your taste buds but also a healthier alternative to traditional beef burgers. Imagine biting into a juicy, flavorful burger that's both satisfying and nutritious. They're juicy and packed with flavor. The rich taste of bison meat pairs perfectly with a variety of toppings, from classic cheese and lettuce to gourmet additions like avocado and caramelized onions. Bison meat is a healthy choice. It's naturally leaner than beef, making it an excellent option for those looking to reduce their fat intake without sacrificing taste. It's lean and has fewer calories than beef. In fact, bison meat contains significantly less fat and fewer calories, making it a guilt-free indulgence. You can enjoy a delicious burger without feeling guilty. Whether you're cooking for yourself or serving a family meal, bison burgers are a hit with everyone. Bison meat is also high in protein and iron. These essential nutrients help support muscle growth and overall health, making bison a powerhouse of nutrition. It's a great source of nutrients. From vitamins to minerals, bison meat provides a well-rounded nutritional profile that benefits your body in many ways. Ready to cook? Let's get started. With its rich flavor and health benefits, bison meat is perfect for your next culinary adventure. Fire up the grill and enjoy the delicious world of bison burgers today. You need a few simple ingredients for this recipe. Let's gather them. 1 pound ground bison, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, 4 hamburger buns, and your favorite toppings like lettuce, tomato, onion, and cheese. That's it. You are ready to cook. First, preheat your grill or pan. This step is crucial to ensure that your bison patties cook evenly and develop a nice sear. A hot grill or pan will help lock in the juices, giving you a flavorful and juicy burger. You want it nice and hot. Aim for a temperature of around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This high heat will create a beautiful crust on the outside of your patties while keeping the inside tender and moist. Now, gently mix the ground bison, salt and pepper. Don't overmix. Overmixing can make the meat tough. Just combine the ingredients until they're evenly distributed. Form the mixture into 4 patties. Use your hands to shape them, but be gentle. You want the patties to hold together without being too compact. Make them about 1 inch thick. This thickness ensures that the patties cook evenly and stay juicy. If they're too thin, they might dry out. Grill or pan fry the patties for 4 to 5 minutes per side. This cooking time will give you a medium rare to medium burger. Adjust the time if you prefer your burgers more or less done. Cook them to your liking. Toast the buns lightly. Now, assemble your burgers. Add your favorite toppings like lettuce, tomato, cheese, and a special sauce. Enjoy your delicious bison masterpiece. Want to make your burger even better? Try these tips. Elevate your burger game with these simple, yet effective techniques that will transform your ordinary burger into a culinary masterpiece. Make a small indent in the center of each patty. This little trick ensures that your burgers cook evenly and maintain their shape. No more domed burgers that are difficult to stack with toppings. This prevents them from bulging while cooking. A flat patty cooks more uniformly, giving you that perfect bite every time. Plus, it makes your burger look more appealing. Use a meat thermometer to ensure they reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This is crucial for food safety and achieving the ideal doneness. Once cooked, add your favorite toppings to enhance the flavor. Enjoy your juicy and flavorful bison burger. The combination of perfectly cooked meat and fresh toppings creates an unforgettable taste experience. It's the perfect meal for any occasion. Whether it's a family picnic, a casual dinner, or a special celebration, bison burgers are always a hit. It's quick, easy, and healthy. You'll love it. With minimal preparation time and maximum flavor, bison burgers are a fantastic choice for any meal. Give it a try and see for yourself.